Oh, this is beautiful, guys. I'm so happy to be cruising out of London. We're gonna slowly make our way out of this big city. Yeah, the plan's to cruise down to Cornwall. It's about a 5.5 hour drive. Gonna just surf heaps and gonna fly some FPV spots that, you know, it's just incredible scenery there. So I just want to fly some of these crazy spots. I've been driving for 20 minutes. Already there's more space, more greenery. Gorgeous little race car. Oh my god, you special thing. Been a crazy week this week. Ridiculous. I just started doing Just Eat, like bicycle, like food delivery courier stuff. It's just like Uber Eats basically, through London on my bike. And I just got like hit by a car like 4 days ago. I was fine, but my bike was totaled. Got my bike all fixed up and stuff. The person paid for it. I was on another shift and yeah, it was sprinkling like this, and my phone's like, I thought my phone was like semi-waterproof, like it would be fine just getting a little bit of rain on it. And then my phone died, so yeah, that's happened this week as well. And it's died the day before this like 5-hour trip, so I don't have any like Google Maps on my phone, or I can't like call anybody or nothing. I'll keep it in here for a little bit longer. Cornwall, guys. This is St. Agnes. It's the most beautiful little town. Look how narrow these roads are. Check this out. This is right next to my friend's place. Crazy. Oh, I can just feel the energy just being out of the city. Drove for like 6 hours just now. Oh my god, look at this rock. It's really slippery. Wow. Graded to this. By the way, there's king crabs, loads of them in the ocean here, and mussels that you can just dive in there, grab them, cook them up for dinner. Delicious mussels, crabs. The most absolutely stunning location I've been in England, probably. These rocks. Had a surf out there by myself, and I'm gonna go for another fly again now that the weather's cleared a little bit.